this morning, today's Sunday, by the way, 29th. I don't know what time I'm going to get this video uploaded, but anyway. So this morning, I'm flipping through the channel. I should say my wife's flipping through the news channels. That was a short light, wasn't it? Very uneventful. So my wife's flipping through the news channels, and I'm just sort of paying attention in the background. She's flipping through one thing, and it's Meet the Press this morning, right? It says something about, I guess they wanted to get your attention so you tune in. They were going to do a story about some sort of prepper thing and buying food and stocking up on food. I don't know what it was about. So we figured we'd leave it on the channel and see what they were talking about. Well, of course, it was the last segment of Meet the Press, right? They ran through all the other horse crap, the lies they're going to feed you, about Hillary Clinton, Benghazi. They all start, I don't know, they went on about, I think, Huckabee or something. I don't understand. Whatever. Didn't matter. I didn't pay attention to it that much. But then they said, oh, well, you know, the black helicopter crowd, ha, ha, ha. And they started laughing and coy and, you know, shaking their heads and all this stuff, which is funny because 2 days prior, Friday, that's exactly what happened in Florida. As you'll see in the video, they were black helicopters. They were practicing.
As a little lighter note, but a weird note here, Mike Huckabee, who could be a strong social conservative candidate in this field, has sent out this odd email. It's an email, his email list, and he sold an advertisement to, and it comes across the subject header as #1 item you should be hoarding. Take a look now. You
don't have a pantry?
You know, I don't. Well, I do.
The cellar.
No,
you need the cellar.
You need to be prepared.
Look, Joe and I grew up in Florida. You do.
I grew
Every
up in
year,
Florida.
and you grew up in Florida, you do prepare for hurricanes. There's nothing wrong with that. But
we were preparing for the Cuban
missiles. This is going to the next level of sort of conspiracy theory here.
Yeah, it's a little embarrassing. I mean, I don't think we have to worry about that. But you know what I think people are concerned about, maybe this is what Huckabee is referring to really, is that when things get very, very uneasy, when the masses become uneasy.
Okay.
No,
but it's not happening in America.
That's not the point here.
Well, not yet.
He's
not yet, but at the middle, not yet. Comes
And
stranger
Joe,
and stranger.
very quickly.
This is a follow-up to what we had in 1994 when we called it the black helicopter crowd.
Yeah.
I taught my children about the black helicopter crowd this weekend.
Well, there it is.
Their survival scene.
We
All
totally
right,
agree.
the trilateral.
And heads up, residents of Broward, BSO, and other law enforcement agencies will be assisting the military as they conduct training exercises in the skies over the next 2 weeks. So don't be alarmed if you see Black Hawk helicopters in the sky. These urban training drills will be similar to those conducted in Miami-Dade last month.
My kids love seeing them flying over.
Now picture this, more than a half dozen Marine vehicles coming out of the water, moving onto shore. Inside, dozens of Marines ready to respond to any threat. That's exactly what happened today at Naval Station Mayport. As First Coast News reporter Andrew Capasso explains, it's all part of a training exercise involving Marines from all across the state.
I did not have my camera on, and it woke me up, but it was two Chinooks, two giant Chinooks flying in tandem. Now it's two black military helicopters. I don't know what the hell's going on, but it's a lot of military activity in the skies over my house today. I don't know if you can see that one too. I mean, this is just black helicopter day. Military helicopters everywhere. Everywhere we've gone. This is the fifth that I've seen with my own eyes today. Right there. It's just not a normal thing to see driving down your street.
Check it out. I'm at a gas station. Yeah, they're just kind of flying right overhead. Yeah, check this out. And we have Apache helicopters flying at low level over residential neighborhoods. I just want to go ahead and post this.
Special operations exercise in Texas. And by now, many of you already have heard of this whole Jade Helm operation. It's larger than this, actually. It goes into Louisiana, all the way over into Florida, down into Florida. And we've seen huge drills coming out.